Health Minister Ampreen Lingdot today urged people to adhere to the government advisories on prohibition of meat products like fish, pork and beef. It may be mentioned that the government has prohibited the sale of imported fish in the state for 15 days after formalin were detected in the fishes. Similarly, many cattle in the state have also been infected with lumpy skin disease, following which the sale of beef has gone down. Similarly, several cases of African swine fever has also been reported in the state lately.
The duty of the government is to take the advisory of various line departments that are saying that there are certain diseases that could be dangerous for the consumption of meat of certain animals in our community and society. Therefore, this advisory has been issued to the public in the interest of the public, keeping them well informed that in the matter of fish, we have seen that the test was done, a random test was done, and the advisory is that we should ensure that consumption of fish by the public should be healthy for them and should not cause any concern